Every cycle begins with what time has left behind. Before rebirth, each piece is carefully judged.
Purity decides the path forward. Nothing enters the process unprepared. Layers of the past are gently removed.
Each batch earns its identity.
Size is reduced, purpose remains. Sound reveals what eyes cannot. Only clean metal earns the next step. Order prepares the metal for change. Movement signals the beginning of transformation. Human hands guide every stage.
Nothing enters unchecked.
The journey moves indoors. Preparation gives way to motion. Now, the real process begins. Transport inside the factory is measured and controlled. Order is enforced before speed. Human oversight never leaves the line. Unwanted elements are quietly removed. Elevation brings the process forward. Momentum is carefully redirected. Speed bows to precision.
Eyes confirm what systems detect.
Every turn has purpose. The factory closes around the material. Stability prepares the metal. Access is granted step by step. Environment signals the next phase. Heat waits beyond this point. Boundaries protect the process. Alignment signals readiness. The next transformation awaits. Transport ends where preparation begins. The building itself becomes part of the process.
Every entrance is engineered for flow.
Outside ends. Transformation begins. No interruptions. Only continuity.
experience guards the entry.
Clean air, protects clean metal.
Uniformity begins at the gate. Bench. Guidance is built into the walls. Scale defines modern recycling. The metal never stops moving. Every zone has its purpose.
Check this spot here. Looks good. Approved. Judgment sharpens automation.
Alignment prepares the surface. Cleaning begins softly.
The surface story is about to change.
Entry complete. Preparation continues. The first cleanse removes years of use. Motion exposes every hidden surface. Waste leaves. Value stays. Purity is refined step by step. Moisture is removed. Structure remains. True material finally shows. Cleaning gives way to classification. Experience spots what machines miss. Only the best moves forward. Measurements confirm suitability. Balance ensures predictability. Nothing unnecessary remains.
Ready for change.
Preparation reaches completion. The core awaits. From here, transformation is irreversible. Clean metal meets its destiny. Here, solid history meets controlled heat. Heat is introduced gradually. Balance prevents stress.
Looks good.
Human judgment keeps heat in check.
Gravity delivers the metal. Control defines consistency. The solid begins to surrender. Structure yields to temperature. Impurities reveal themselves. Purity is actively protected. Balance is maintained.
Release is imminent.
The metal changes state.
Heat is now fully in control.
Consistency prepares transformation. The metal is ready to be shaped.
Now, liquid meets form.
Flow defines the future shape. Solid begins where heat ends. Shape becomes structure. Temperature gives way to strength. Even cooling prevents weakness. Clean surfaces carry quality. Precision is locked in. Alignment defines reliability. Internal balance is restored. Imperfections are denied passage. Ocean becomes predictable. Solid form prepares for refinement. Friction is reduced with care. Accuracy leads the transformation. Reduction begins the journey to wire. Transformation is now continuous. The metal is no longer raw. Automation refines what heat has formed. Balance is measured every second. Refinement happens in stages. Heat is managed, not rushed. Precision is verified instantly. Harmony keeps the line alive. Friction is continuously controlled. Stability protects strength. Deviation is corrected instantly. Ocean pauses only to continue. Control never breaks the flow. Finish begins before the end.
Quality is enforced digitally.
The wire takes its final size.
Refinement replaces force. Automation hands off to precision.
The metal is ready for perfection.
Final refinement begins. Perfection is measured in microns. Nothing unwanted remains. Purity is sealed. Moisture gives way to shine. Finish confirms quality. Specifications are met.
Stress is released, not ignored. Straightness defines reliability.
Safety and quality align.
Stability is restored.
The end shape approaches. Form returns in a new way. Consistency becomes visible. Control never relaxes. The form is complete.
Finish hands over to verification.
Precision prepares for proof.
Every masterpiece demands verification.
Perfection is scrutinized by human eyes.
Even the smallest detail is revealed.
Strength is proven, not assumed. Flow is measured, quality confirmed.
Exactitude is not optional.
Integrity runs through the core.
Purity is quantified.
Durability withstands scrutiny.
Heat proves resilience. Human judgment endorses machine perfection.
Every fact recorded, no detail lost.
Random checks ensure consistency. Tolerance is locked.
Conditions safeguard quality.
Proof accompanies every product.
Final glance guarantees trust. Verification complete. Journey continues.
Every standard met. Every coil approved.
Perfection now meets protection. Every coil is shielded. Traceability is added. Every coil meets standards. Organization ensures safety. Protection extends beyond the line.
Movement is controlled and precise.
Order is preserved for future use. Every coil is accounted for.
Ready for the journey ahead. From factory to freight. Orderly loading prevents damage.
Safety travels with every coil.
Protection is complete.
Prepared for delivery. And this is how modern factories produce copper wire from start to finish. Every coil begins its journey here. Care and precision preserve every coil. Efficiency is visible in every aisle.
And this is how modern factories produce copper wire from start to finish.